guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna go over Boxycharm's June, and when I received this, it was pretty heavy. I'm gonna put on the screen on the bottom how much it weighs. So stay tuned and let's see what we got in this pretty boy. So the theme for this box is called Oasis, and I think it's perfect. And my variation is variation 25. Doesn't want to focus, but my variation is 25. So the first thing that we have here is the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner Foaming Face Wash. And this is pretty hefty. It is 5 fluid ounces, and I'm excited to try this. Like I said, this is just a skincare box. This is what it looks like. Nice packaging. I really like the pink. And it's a foam pump. So I'm just going to try it out. Oh, it has a very soft smell. So that's the Kylie Jenner face foam. And the prices I'm going to put on the screen so that way you can see. But I'm pretty impressed. This is a full-size face wash, and I'm surprised we got it in our Boxycharm. Okay, so the second item in the box, it is Purlisse. Guys, I'm butchering this name. But it's a Perfect Glow BB cream with SPF 30, and I got the color light medium. Yeah, it's gonna be too light for me because I'm more on a tanner side. Yeah, it's too light for me, see? But this is for somebody who prefers a more natural look, not a heavy duty coverage. I know a lot of women who prefer BB creams and foundation because they don't want to feel caked on or feel the foundation. And since this does have SPF, it's perfect for every day, and it protects you against skin damage. So this is pretty cool. I mean, I started out using BB cream and now moved on to like foundation. My favorite foundation is Estee Lauder Double Wear. I will never get tired of it. But right now on my face, I have the NYX Born to Glow. And I've been testing that out for the summer, and I've been enjoying that very well. The third thing in the box, it is Artistic Contour. Now this is my choice item. I chose this item. There were a primer, a mascara, the highlighter, and I believe something else like a skincare product. But I chose a highlighter because I am a highlighter junkie. This is the size. It's a decent size. So. And what I like about it is that you could turn it to have you pour on the cap and you pour it, but if you want no spillage, you just turn it over and nothing comes out. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna grab my highlighter brush. I don't think you can see on camera. I'm gonna really load it up. So that's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see. It's for maybe a more natural look. I'm gonna put some on my cheek because I did my face, but I didn't do any highlight because I wanted to test this out. So let's see. Oh, never mind. I take it back. It is very dewy. It is very glowy. And that's only one tap. Ooh. Oh, I'm gonna love this. I barely took a lot. Just a little bit goes a long way. You guys are witness to this. A little bit goes a long way. Look at that glow, though. I'm gonna be obsessed with this highlighter. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, enough of the highlighter. There's more to see in the box. Come on, Kiki. Come on, move it, move it. All right. The fourth thing, it is a QMS Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. This is the first time I actually tried a lip serum, and I tried it last night. The cool thing is it looks like you take it off like that, but you actually turn it and it pops up. And this is something that I thought was gonna feel more like a lotion, and it did at first. I'm like, oh, I don't know how I feel about this. But as the night wore off, I just got squirted. All right, as the night wore on, it did become more like a, so you see, it became more of a lip balm, or no smell to it whatsoever. I like that a lot. And if you want to close it, you close it just like that. And this is pretty big for a lip serum. This is pretty amazing and pretty good. It did leave my lips moisturized, but not sticky or tacky like a lip gloss. So, alright, and lastly, it will be this. This is the First Aid Beauty KP Pump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. I did shower this morning to test it out and give you guys a feedback. So there's 2 items I did reviews on. I did the lip serum and this, and I witnessed, you guys saw me put on my highlighter. Beautiful. So I used it mostly on my arms and my legs. You know, because it's summertime, you shave a lot, you sometimes get razor bumps. So it left my legs smooth. I didn't put any lotion on, but it left my skin smooth like I used a moisturizing body wash, and I'm okay with it. I gotta test it out more. First time using this scrub. I've used their products like a face wipe to remove makeup, does wonders. But again, I have to give this a more thorough review because again, first time using it, didn't see a huge big result on this. So that's my Boxycharm for June. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want me to do a video on this look, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's more to come, and please stay tuned. And please follow me on IG and Snapchat. Thanks. Bye.